Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram. Today we'll be cooking beef chow mein. It is super easy to make at home and you can have it ready for dinner in no time, and definitely will be better than Chinese takeout. So y'all, let's get right to cooking.
First, we're going to prepare our meat for the beef chow mein. So go ahead and slice your meat thinly against the grain and transfer it over to a small mixing bowl for marinating. Add 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And give this a good massage and set it aside for 10 minutes to marinate. And in the meantime, we'll prepare our vegetables, stir-fry sauce, and noodles for this recipe. So, crush 5 cloves of garlic with your knife and then finely mince them. And then slice half of an onion into strips, and once done, you may break it apart if needed to make the cooking easier later. And then separate the white stem from the green onion. And if it's thick, slice it in half and then into 2-inch sections. Cut the green part into 2-inch sections as well. Then wash and drain your bean sprout and set these vegetables aside. And to prepare the stir-fry sauce, add to a mixing bowl 2 tablespoons of hot water, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And give this a quick mix and set it aside. Now it's time to cook. We are using fresh chow mein noodles, so we just need to add it to boiling water briefly and then remove, drain, and rinse it under running tap water to cool down and prevent further cooking. And then drain and dry them and add in a little cooking oil and stir them around to prevent sticking and set them aside. Now it's time to put our dish together. So to a frying pan, heat up 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and add in your bean sprout, sliced onion, and white stem of your green onions. Season it with a little sugar and salt and cook it long enough to remove the raw taste from the onion and then transfer it to a plate. Now it's time to cook our beef. So heat up 2 more tablespoons of oil and add our beef and spread them out and cook them until you get some nice browning or until the meat changes color or has a nice sear. Then stir the beef to flip them over so the other side can cook as well. Now add in your minced garlic to be cooked with the beef and give it a few toss and transfer this to a plate. Next, heat up more oil in the same pan and then add the noodles and spread it out and let it pan fry for about a minute, and then toss it around and let it cook for another minute. Then drizzle in half of our stir-fry sauce and mix it into the noodles, and then pour in the rest and stir the noodles until they're all evenly coated in the sauce. Now we can add the ingredients we prepared earlier back into the pan as well as the green onions. Give this one final gentle toss to not break the noodle, and then you're ready to plate and serve. And friends, here is the final product, beef chow mein. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out my other videos for more delicious meal ideas and let me know in the comments how your chow mein turned out. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.